Now let's look at this figure 23-5, and we're still dealing with the lighting load number 1, but we're dealing with track lighting. And notice we have 30 foot of track non-continuous, and the load calculations 150 VA for every 2 foot of track, in accordance with 220.43b, as well as 230.42A1 for service calculation. Now, notice that the track lighting is not listed in our table 220.12. So we have to go to naturally 220.14, or one of the sections in Article 220 deals with track lighting, which is 220.43b. Now notice we take and divide the length of 30 foot by 2 times 150 VA, and we come up with 2,250 VA, and that is the solution. The track lighting load is 2,250 VA, and that's in accordance with a calculation procedure that we have to perform in accordance with NEC 220.43b.